Potassium and ammonium chloride salts help carry the current in acid chloride zinc plating solutions. If the total chloride concentration is not properly maintained, zinc coverage and thickness can be negatively affected, causing rejects. Frequent analysis is recommended using the following procedure. Pipette 1 milliliter of the acid chloride zinc process solution into a 250 milliliter Erlenmeyer flask. Add 50 milliliters of deionized water to the flask. Then add 10 drops of Kocher indicator SC and mix the solution. Titrate using Kocher reagent N18 until the solution changes from yellow to orange. Multiply the number of milliliters of the N18 titrant used by 2. This will give you the total chloride concentration in ounces per gallon. If it took 11 milliliters of the N18 to change the color, then the total chloride concentration is 22 ounces per gallon. For technical questions or to purchase Kocher reagents, please contact our JSA office at 262-241-3200 or email us at info@jsamc2.com. Thank you.